Hey guys, welcome back to our living room. So, we've been packing and my SD card just played up, so lost a few files there. Azzy? Alright, so I got probably about 15 minutes until I have to go back to work, and we'll come back and get stuck into the Forester. Stay tuned. Gotta love packing up house. Right, get into it. Ooh, there she is. All in the dark, cold garage. It's freezing in here. Guys, I am back from work. It's a bit cold. I'm chuck my jumper on, get this garage door open, and see where we're at. Nice and warm in the sun. Alright, so I had the battery on charge for a little while. It was overnight on Friday. I'll test that, see where we're at. And I think we should be right to give it a start. I do have I need to do the breathers. Yeah. 11.7, not enough. Need to get her started. Hey guys, sun's getting a bit warm actually. Don't come up again. But yeah, for the breathers, block that one off. Do have the filter over there. That will be getting changed soon, guys, because we need that to go to a catch can too. It looks like I might have to jump start it and see how we go. We do still have that kinked line right there, but pretty much just need to get it out and over here. This is all the coolant that I spilt from the other turbo, the GT35. Probably a bit of oil as well. Whew. It'll take a little while to turn off. I think some, I don't know, yeah, you see it burning off, oil. Delays! There we have it guys, been running for probably 10 minutes or so. Temperature is the normal Subaru, halfway. So it's either going to explode soon or not. Check engine, always on. No petrol. And tell me guys, what is an idle oil pressure? I could research it, but the internet should just ask you guys. Anyway, it's still burning off some coolant. No, she's running good. She's running very good. Pretty pleased with it. Yeah, let's get her back on the road. Ooh, I've missed this. Exhaust? It's louder than before, mainly because it doesn't have two turbos to go through, but it's still quiet. I can just cruise around. Sweet! Alright, gonna get it back together. So like grill, lights, shroud, I guess you call it, the piece panel that's underneath it, bumper, and get it out. Alright, she's all warmed up. Somebody did mention for the boost reference to go to manifold. I will do that. I may just have to change that pipe over to the other one because I pretty much cut it in half so it doesn't have a hole in it. And then take it from the manifold somewhere. But yeah. Still have to bolt the exhaust to the gearbox as well, so there's not much movement up here at the flange. And drive shaft. I need to do that drive shaft over there. Missed that. Oh, also guys, if you haven't, go check out Project Driveway. Put a link in the description for them. Other Melburnians with Foresters and Miatas, MX-5s. So yeah, go check them out. I'll put a little card up there. Go say hi. Say that Glenn from Howard's Garage sent you. And yeah, let's get this back together and out of the garage. There you go guys, it's back together. And if you didn't know, it's pretty much held together with zip ties. Do need to put bolts on each end of the bumper, and then we're good. The what's flying around. Yeah. Sweet. Okay guys, that is it for this episode. She's running, ready to get out. I'm going to leave it here for quite a while. Not leave this here, but it's going to go to the new house. We're going to be working on the V10 here, so stay tuned for that guys. Should be coming up in a couple of days. 2 days, Thursday, hopefully. But yeah, stay tuned for that, guys. Big things coming.